Mechanical Spot Welder Machine, model number SWA-2208. This machine we have here are really similar to our SWA-2408 model, except without the requirement of a compressor. This is a mechanical version, which you can see there's a pedal here, and it's connected to a wire here that pulls the welder head up and down. So it's a much simpler machine. It doesn't have much requirements other than just a standard AC input. This particular machine operates at 220 volt at either 50 or 60 hertz. You have the option to choose when you purchase the machine. Similar to the 2408, there's the same basically on the front here as far as the operation controls, the on-off buttons, the welding heads, and the adjustments. And now we're going to go ahead to show you a simple operation